Good morning, dear student. In our grammar, our 28 lesson name is paragraph writing. So here in paragraph writing, you have to write a paragraph about any one topic, and remember one carefully that the paragraph must be meaningful and the topic must be required here. You can write the sentence whatever you like, but the topic must be there. Don't write the other thing that is not related to the topic here. We see here the first, that is the dog. So here I have written here one paragraph about dog. So we see here what is given about dog here. So we can say that the dog is my favorite animal here. So dog is my favorite animal, and it has black, brown and white color. So we can see here the dog has, some dog has black color, some dog has brown color and some dog has white color here. It has sharp teeth so that it can eat flesh very easily. So the teeth of dog is very sharp. That's why they can able to eat the flesh of other animal. It has four legs, two ears, two eyes, and a tail, a mouth, and a nose here. We can say that it is very clever animal in a comparison of other animal here. So it is very useful in catching thieves here. Policemen or CBI police also take the support of dog to catch the thieves here. So it is very useful in catching thieves. It runs very fast, bark loudly and attack the stranger here. As and when dog find here the stranger enter in your society or in your house, so the dog is alert and the dog started to bark at the stranger here. It guard our house, it bark at the stranger, and it is faithful animal here. The dog is most faithful animals, and really I like the dog very much here. Really I like the dog very much here. So you can see here the short paragraph is given here. You can also write more things about the dog, but you have to write the main sentence about dog, and you have to frame one paragraph here about any topic here. The another topic is given here, that is the value of time here. So what is given here in a value of time here? So we know that we should always respect time. We should always respect time. A person who understands the value of time will never waste it. So time is most important, and each and every person must do the work related to seeing the time here. If you recognize the time, your golden time, then the time will make you the success here. So we must not waste our time, and wasting time means postponing work here. Wasting time means postponing work here. So you will say that I will do the work in the next day, next day, next day, but although you are become very lazy and you can never do the work. So student should always be punctual with time. For the student have to make or achieve their goals here. The student have to achieve their goal, and they have to make their life, that is the career years here. So student must have to be do the work in a proper time, and should always be punctual with time here. And if we do our work in a proper time, we will always be successful. We always success if we do each and every work in a proper time here. So time is very precious. The time is very precious than money and other matter here. So we cannot get back the time we have lost. If the time is lost, then the wasting time will never comes in our life once again here. The wasting time never return in our life here. So we have to do our work in a proper time, and we should not have to waste our time here. So make the time more valuable than money here. And so it is said that we should utilize the time in most possible way here. So here you have seen here, you can write the 8 or 10 sentence in a one paragraph, the short sentence in a paragraph, but the paragraph must be related to the topic here. Okay, thank you.